Hello, my dear students. I, Miss Munazza Sayed, welcome you all to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School. Today, I am going to teach you EVS subject of grade 2. Now, children, in our last period, what we have learnt, do you all remember? Yes, good, you all remember. But now, what I am going to do is, we are going to play a small game. Game means not running and everything. Just, I am going to give you the clues and the hints. You have to guess the correct answer and you have to tell me. Okay. Who I am. The game's name is Who I Am. For example, I helps you for your lessons at school. Who is helping you at school? Teacher. Very good. I helps you when you get ill. A doctor. Very good. You are answering very well. I fixes taps and pipes when it breaks. A plumber. Very good. I stitches your uniform. A tailor. Very good. I keep the neighborhood safe. Who is keeping our neighborhood safe? Policeman and policewoman. I brings you the letters. Postman. Very good. Now, these are the selected things, selected peoples. I have given you the clues. Even we have more people who help us. And we are lucky to have these people with us. So, what is the name of the lesson, children? As I have told you, the people who are helping us. Which lesson we have learnt in the last period? Lesson number 5 of EVS, people who help us. So, in that period, children, we have revised the chapter and we have solved 3 points of the textbook exercise. Now, what we are going to do is, we are going to solve the remaining part of this chapter. Means, we are going to complete the remaining exercise of this lesson. For that, what we all need is, first of all, we have to open our textbook. Open your textbook, EVS session. Page number 28, lesson number 5. Page number 28 I said you, but before that, see, we have solved these points, children. And I gave you the homework. Think and answer and write 4 people who helps you at school and at home. Have you all completed? Very good. You all are very smart, my dear students. Now this we are going to solve. See here, the first point we have is take the correct word. What we have to do in this is, we have to take the correct answer. First point is, if James wants to buy a pencil. Who wants to buy a pencil, children, here? James. Okay. If James wants to buy a pencil, he will go to a tailor or a shopkeeper, children, who will provide a pencil to James. Tailor will provide or a shopkeeper will sell? Very good. Shopkeeper. If James wants to buy a pencil, he will go to a shopkeeper. So we have to tick shopkeeper is the correct answer. Sharp your pencil and tick properly, children. Done? Still some are busy to remove their pencils. Remove fast, children, and sharp your pencils too. Now pay the attention on the board. Second point we have, if Sana wants a new dress, if Sana wants a new dress stitched, she will go to a tailor or a cobbler. Where Sana will go exactly, children? Now Sana wanted to stitch a new dress for her. Where she will go? She will go to a tailor. Why, children? Why she will go to a tailor and why not for the cobbler? Because a tailor stitches the clothes. And what does the cobbler do? The cobbler mends the shoes. Very good. So the correct answer is tailor. Tick on tailor. We will read the second sentence. If Sana wants a new dress stitched, she will go to a tailor. Completed? Fine. Third one. If Jaspal is not feeling well. Who is not feeling well? Jaspal. Jaspal. Jaspal is not feeling well. He will go to a teacher or a doctor. Jaspal will go to a teacher and will tell that, teacher, my stomach is paining, give me a tablet. No, because teacher can't give the tablet by her own. Na? Yes, so he will go to a doctor because doctor tells us what care we must do to get well. So the correct answer is doctor. Tick on doctor. Completed? We'll read the sentence number 3. If Jaspal is not feeling well, he will go to a doctor. Very good. Completed? Okay, I'll give you the time. Fine. Fourth one. If to learn to read, he will go to a cobbler or a teacher. Where Kavya will go, children? Now she wants to learn and she wants to read. Where she will go? To a cobbler or a teacher? Exactly, you all are right. She will go to a teacher. Why? But why she will not go to the cobbler? I know she will go to a teacher. Teacher is the correct answer. But why so? What is the reason? There is a difference between cobbler and teacher. The teacher helps us to learn. This is the reason that Kavya will go to a teacher. Okay. Then teacher. Teacher is the correct answer. If Kavya wants to learn to read, she will go to a teacher. Done, children? Or I have to wait for more time? Only it's a tick, children. It will not take much time. Do it properly. Pay the attention on board now. The last sentence we are going to solve. Fifth one. If Beena wants her slippers mended, she will go to a doctor or a cobbler. If Beena wants her slippers mended, she will go to a cobbler or a doctor. Where she will go exactly, children? To the cobbler. Good. Because cobbler means a person who mends, who repairs our shoes and slippers. Tick cobbler. Done, children? Good. Now, after everyone's completed, we are going to read the sentence. And you also have to repeat the spellings after me. Not only the correct answer spellings we will read, children, we are going to read the spellings of people who help us. First sentence is, repeat after me. If James wants to buy a pencil, he will go to a shopkeeper. Repeat loudly, children. You all are not repeating. Why so? Second, if Sana wants a new dress stitched, she will go to a tailor. If Jaspal is not feeling well, he will go to a doctor. If Kavya wants to learn to read, she will go to a teacher. Fifth one and the last one. If Beena wants her slippers mended, she will go to a cobbler. Good. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to read these spellings now. Okay. From starting we are going to do. First one we have there, tailor. T-A-I. Repeat after me very loudly and a clear sound I want, children. T-A-I-L-O-R. Tailor. T-A-I-L-O-R. Tailor. Next spelling we have is shopkeeper. It's looking big, but what we are going to do is break. Good. What we will do? Shop and the keeper. We will learn the spelling different. Okay. S-H-O-P, shop. S-H-O-P, shop. K-E-E, P-E-R. K-E-E, P-E-R. Keeper, shopkeeper. Now together if we will say the spelling, repeat after me. S-H-O-P, K-E-E, P-E-R. Shopkeeper. Now in the next sentence, Taylor is again repeated. So we'll skip this Taylor and we will say the cobbler spelling. C-O-B-B-L-E-R. Cobbler. C-O-B-B-L-E-R. Cobbler. In the third sentence, we have teacher and doctor. So, now first of all, we will say the teacher's spelling. T-E-A, T-E-A, C-H-E-R. Teacher. T-E-A, repeat properly children. T-E-A, C-H-E-R. Teacher. Next, D-O-C, T-O-R. Doctor. D-O-C, T-O-R. Doctor. In next sentence, we have cobbler and teacher. We have already said the spellings, so we'll skip these both. And here we have the same. Doctor and cobbler, again it's repeated. So what we will do, one time again we will tell the same spelling. Okay? T-A-I, repeat after me. T-A-I-L-O-R. Tailor. Next, S-H-O-P, shop. K-E-E, P-E-R. Keeper. Shop plus keeper together make what? Shopkeeper. Very good. Next spelling, C-O-B-B-L-E-R. Cobbler. C-O-B-B-L-E-R. Cobbler. Next, teacher spelling, T-E-A-C-H-E-R. Teacher. T-E-A-C-H-E-R. Teacher. D-O-C, T-O-R. Doctor. D-O-C, T-O-R. Doctor. Doctor. Good children. Now we read the spellings which are here. Even more spellings we do have the people who help us in different ways, like policeman, policewoman, postman, postwoman. So those spellings also you have to learn. Now the next point we are going to solve. Below that only we have complete the crossword. Complete the crossword. The clues given below will help you. So, in the starting of this period, I have also given you the clues to give the proper answer. In the same way, here we have the clues, the people who help us, and we have to recognize that and we have to complete these blanks. Okay? Now, across. Across means in this way. See, in this way we have the answers. We have to fill this table also, children. And here we have down. Down means from up to down. These spellings also we have to fill. Good. See, first one we have here is the person who catches thieves. Thief means chore. Thieves means many thieves, more than one. Thief is singular, thieves is plural. The person who catches thieves. Who is catches thieves? कौन पकड़ता है चोर को? Police man. Very good. So take out your pencils and start writing. Policeman. 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 Next is the person who stitches our clothes. The person who stitches our clothes. Who is that person who stitches our clothes, children? A tailor. Very good. Tailor spelling. Here we have the blanks. We have to fill this. T-A-I-L-O-R. Tailor. T-A-I-L-O-R. Tailor. Next we have the person who helps us learn things. A person who is helping us to learn the new things. Who is that person? Teacher. Very good. We have to fill this too. T-E-A-C-H-E-R. Teacher. Children, here they have given the capital letters. So we also have to write the capital letter to complete the word. Don't write the small letters in between. Okay? Be careful while writing, or else in hurry you may write the small letters, but see, everywhere I have written the capital letter, and you also have to write capital. Fourth one, the person who tells us what to do when we are ill. Who is telling us what to do when we are ill? Doctors. Very good. So doctor spelling is D. After D, the blank is there. What we have to write in this blank? Which letter will come? O. Very good. D-O-C. Doc. Now we have to complete the remaining spelling. Doctor. So what we will write? What is the spelling? Yes. T-O-R. Very good. D-O-C-T-O-R. Doctor. D-O-C-T-O-R. Doctor. Now these from first to fourth, we have solved the across box letters and the spellings. Now what we have to do is next down. This also I said down means these boxes we have to fill, even this answer also. So the first clue is the person who brings our letters. The person who brings our letters. Who is bringing the letters to us, children? Postman. Good. So here we have the blank post. We have to start the spelling now. What will write? P. Post. We have to write. S-T. Post. M-A-N. Postman. P-O-S-T. Post. M-A-N. Man. Postman. Next we have the person who mends our shoes. The person who mends our shoes. Who is mending our shoes, children? Cobbler. Very good. So here again we have 4 blanks. 1, 2, 3 and 4. What is the spelling of cobbler? C-O. What? Double B. Okay. So we have here 1 B. So one more we have to write. Cob. L-E-R. Very good, children. Cobbler. C-O. Double B. L-E-R. Cobbler. Now children, as you all have written the answer or no still? Okay. I'll give you some time. Write fast, children. But the handwriting should not be dirty. Okay, fine. Now you all know the answers. What you will do? This is your homework. You have to complete it by your own. Now here we have the answers. Just you have to fill. For example, first one I will do for you. Here I have. See, number 1. What is the number 1's answer? Policeman. So what we have to do? P is here. What we have to do? The remaining letters we have to write each letter in one box. For example, P-O, L, I-C, E is already there. So we will not write E, M-A-N. But the thing is, all letters should be capital. Good. First one over. Second one we have here is the person who stitches our clothes. The answer is tailor. So you have to find the number 2. Yeah, it's here. So what we have to do? The complete spelling T-A-I-L-O-R. Okay. So in this way you have to complete it. I will write here the HW or else you will write this again. So this is your HW to complete this table. Now children, to the side of this page, you will see, have you all written the HW here? Good. See, if you will see here children, just let me clean this. Okay, so we have here life skills and values. What we have to do here is learning to be aware and to be appreciative. So we have to be aware of the things are happening around us, and we have to be appreciative. Means somebody should give you the shabashgi, we can say. Okay. Find out the names and the telephone numbers. What to do here is we have to find out the names and the telephone numbers of these people in your locality. Here are some names of the people who help us. What you have to do, you have to find the names and the phone numbers in your locality. Means in your local areas where you live. Fill in the table to make your own telephone directory. What you have to do? You have to fill this table and this will be your telephone directory. Means telephone, the numbers, directory means these numbers will guide you when to go where. Okay. So first column is people who help. Here we have plumber, electrician, chemist, doctor, police officer, fire officer, grocer, postal worker. These are the people who help us. Their names you have to write here, and these are the telephone numbers. It's not compulsory to get it complete today itself, children. Don't trouble your parents for the same. You can do it in 2 or 3 days also. So this will be also your HW. Fine children? Write their HW. So in this way children, we have completed our lesson number 5 of EVS, people who help us. We saw in this lesson many people who help us, and we also have to thank God children that we are lucky to have these people with us to help us in each activity, in each work, and at every place. Even at home you all have the people who help us, at school you have, at your neighbors you have, at your surroundings you have, everywhere we have, and we all need them. Okay? So you also have to take care of the things done by them, and you have to also behave in that way. So as I have given you the homework, the boxes you have to complete across and down, both the boxes. Already we have written the answers, but then too you have to complete these tables and the numbers of the people who help us in your locality. Complete and read lesson number 5. Thank you.